LS173 is a portable handheld colorimeter. It adopts D/8 hemispherical geometries, which measure the sample with diffuse illumination accomplished by the use of an integrating sphere. Light introduced into the sphere is sent through series of reflections off the diffuse white sphere wall, quickly resulting in the diffuse illumination incident on the sample. The colorimeter is especially suitable for color measurement in the following industries such as car paint, plastics, and stone. The instrument has only one button. Open the bottom cover. Inside is the built-in calibration whiteboard. The test aperture is 8 mm. Touchscreen design makes measurement smarter and simpler. How does LS173 measure? After power on, the instrument will enter the calibration interface, which can switch the language and choose to calibrate or not. If you do, please ensure that the bottom cover and the body fit closely, and the two triangle arrows are aligned. Tap Calibrate, then we come to Color Compare interface. This is a standard and another is a sample. Let's start to measure. Take down the bottom cover. Put your colorimeter on the standard and tap Scan Standard. Then move to the sample and tap Scan Sample. You can see the result in the screen. How to understand the measurement result? Standard refers to color of standard, while sample refers to color of sample. L represents the brightness of the color. A and B represent two color axes. A represents the red-green channel of color. B represents the yellow-blue channel of color. C represents chroma. And H represents hue. Parameter delta on the right means color deviation. For color brightness L, plus indicates sample color whiter than standard, while dash indicates sample blacker than standard. For color axis A, plus indicates redder, while dash indicates greener. For color axis B, plus indicates yellower, while dash means bluer. The color indication is for reference only and cannot be used for color correction. How to quickly check whether the sample is qualified? First, you can set color difference threshold and choose color difference formula as per your request. There are 6 formula to choose from. Afterwards, the LS173 can automatically determine whether the color difference between the standard and the sample is acceptable and will also indicate pass or NG. It autonomously enables batch inspection with higher efficiency. By the way, this table of color difference thresholds is for reference only. Can I compare color difference using LS173 when the standard material is not at hand? Sure. In this case, you can tap Input Standard and enter the L, CH or LAB value of the standard. Then measure the sample for color comparison. Tap Save button to save the color difference record. You can also enter the file name to save. You can also measure other materials and save their colors as standards by tapping Save Standard. Tapping Add Standard, you can see the color you saved just now and add historical database as standard color. Tapping History can check measurement history. How to find the closely matched color number of the material? First, switch to Color Scan function. Put colorimeter on the material and start to measure. There will be LAB value. Tap Setting can switch to 6 other color spaces. Tap Color Chart to switch to other color cards, which can be selected according to industry needs. You can find the most close color numbers matched here. Color card matching accuracy can reach 90%. How to create your own color card. Measure the color of material. You can save it directly, or name and store the color. Tap History to view the colors in the swatch library. Swipe left and right to view all history records. Click back to display in list form. You can select any color in the folders as standard for color comparison. How to precisely locate the measure area. If you want to test this little bear that's too small for accurate locating, you can use the locating plate. After fixing the colorimeter and the plate, just start your measurement directly. How to set the parameters of the instrument. Click the menu button in the upper left corner. You can see other function settings of the instrument. Tap Settings, you can set delta E, select the color card, color format, auto-off setting, language and restore default settings. The auto-off setting can be freely set from 1 to 30 minutes. Language settings can be switched between Chinese and English. Tap My Color, slide up and down to view the color data you have stored. Tap Compare History, you can slide up and down to view the stored color difference data records. Below is the device information and calibration of the instrument. Here you can choose to turn off. How to connect the colorimeter to a mobile phone and PC for color measurement and color comparison. And it can be connected to a mobile phone app via Bluetooth. In which create your own color card library, support massive color storage. The stored color data can be shared via email or social software. When connected to a PC, the color data stored internally can also be imported and exported via PC software. It has good measurement repeatability. Its delta E asterisk of value can achieve 0.03. LS173 guarantees to pass the inspection of the authoritative Metrology Institute. It's a professional choice for color management.